Welcome back, Productive Not Busy listeners. Season 5 is here, and we're ready to take things to the next level. We're going to help you work smart, live well, and make a real impact in both the professional and personal life. This season is all about leveling up. Expect sharper insights and more actionable strategies, and some incredible guests, experts who will bring fresh perspectives to you on productivity, lifestyle balance, and personal growth. So from managing your time like a pro to aligning your goals with a meaningful, sustainable lifestyle, we're going to dive deeper into what it means to not just be productive, but fulfilled. So we're going to cover new trends in productivity, tech hacks that actually help, and the tools for staying focused without burning out. So get ready for weekly episodes with value, real stories, some transformation, and a ton of practical tips. So if you're ready to work smart and not hard, kick back and relax and enjoy the show. Talk to you soon. Be safe.